Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today we're going to pick canvas number 3. Yep, canvas number 3 it is. We have already picked 12 and 11. So we have numbers 1 through 10 on our wheel right now. What canvas is next? Number 10. I guess we're going backwards. Going backwards, going backwards, going backwards. Number 10. Okay, I just want to recap again. If this canvas hits your heartstrings, I want you to put, I want this one. You can only win one. So the winner for last week's and the first for canvas 1 and 2 are not eligible for any other canvases. And you must pay shipping. I will email the winner before the winner is drawn, before the reveal of the new canvas. This way you'll know whether or not you can participate. Let's see what number 10 is, shall we? Number 10, where are you, number 10? Aha, here you is. Number 10. Okay. Let us take a look and see what it is, what it is, what it is. Okay. As you know, I open them from the bottom. This is an older canvas, so there's not going to be a Treasure Quest card, although I just want to add, Treasure Quest cards are not promised, even in the new kits. So this one is all over the floor. It is Broken Heart Hallow by EnaMorte. 25.6 centimeters by 33.1 centimeters. So let me get off this chair and get the toolkit and the little picture. Okay, here is your picture. It's very red. Your toolkit, which is everything typical in the older toolkit. You get, oh my gosh, look at that. That is super, super cute. Look at that. That is cute. And that looks large for a magnet. And you get the washi tape, decent amount. And you get your, oh, they gave you 2. One's a 7. They gave you 2 7-placers. 2. I will throw in a 3 multi-placer. Let me find one real quick. Okay, I have some multi-placers right here. There we go. I will take that one out. There we go. So now you get your tweezers. You get a bag of baggies. You get a pen. You get a squishy. The typical heart wax. And the cool tray. Now this tray, you can put diamonds in there. And then when you want to pour them out, all you got to do is lift it up a little bit and they pour right out. 90% of them will pour out. There will still be some that will be like, not leaving. Like it here. So this was actually one of their original tool kits. So you get your squishy for your pen, you get your pretty blue pen, and you get your bag of baggies, which is not enough to kit up your kit, just saying. It probably is good for when you're kitting it down to save your special drills. Seems like a plan. And I am putting the small sticker in the tool kit. And I'm closing it back up. That is your tool kit. Let's put that over there. Now this is what we're all here for. All right, let me move that out of the way. Okay. All right, this is upside down. Whoa. There is a lot of red in these drills. Dark palette. Yep. If you like dark canvases, you'll like this one. There's a lot of red though. A lot of red. Did I say that? There was a lot of red. So let us see the canvas. All right, this is upside down. Whoops, we have stuff here. Here's a better picture. Okay, it's got 44 colors. It has 1, 2, 3 ABs and 1, 2 fairy dust. Let's see. Oh, still upside down. Oh, she's pretty. Pretty canvas. I just, look at the reds. Oh my gosh. Okay. So these right here, this is all going to be fairy dust. And the ABs are 1, 2, and 3. And they're going to be on the perimeter. And I want to say, yep, there's some, the whole gown, this deep red that you see, like right here, is all ABs. Those are ABs. So this is fairy dust, and then we're looking for a Y. I wonder if Y is in the hair. The other fairy dust is going to be in her hair. These grays, that's going to be fairy dust. Wow. Pretty. Pretty. Since we're on the drills, okay, let me bring this down. There, that's a good picture of the drills. So you see there's some ABs right here. And all right, I'm going to open this and we will see. Oh, it looks brighter. It looks brighter now. So we do have an AB right here. Is that the same color? Yep, those are the same color. Where's the other one? Okay. There's some couple of bags of 815. I can't find the other ABs without taking them out. Why can't I see them? Here is a fairy dust right here. Here's another fairy dust right here. And then your ABs right after it. And then that's not an AB. Nope. So you got to see most of them. I can't pinpoint the others. One more, but I can't seem to pinpoint it. Because these are not in any kind of order in the bag. So that's your colors. You can really see those reds. These reds are going to be all in the gown. Yeah. I don't see the other ones. No, I don't. I don't. So we found one AB, and then we found, we're getting ready to have a thunderstorm. We found both fairy dust and one AB. So there's still another AB in here. Oh, I think I just found it. Right here. There it is. There's not a lot. Not a lot of those. So if you are looking for a darker canvas with some shine and glimmer to it, this might be the canvas for you. Broken Heart Hallow by EnaMorte. EnaMorte. And I'm sorry, I know I'm messing up the name. All right, let's look at this canvas. Let me stand up. And let's change this. And let's move that out of the way. All right. She's a biggin'. And her hair is going to have fairy dust in it. And the gown's going to have ABs. And the background will have some ABs. Nice. It's going to be gorgeous. Oh, look at the heart right here. This heart is all ABs. All on the perimeter is ABs, and the white in the middle are ABs. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's going to be all the hearts. We got a heart here. A heart here, one over here, one there, and one there. Oh my gosh. She's going to be pretty. Whoever gets this, I want to see them all when they're done. But this one's going to be sparkly. Love it. Yes. Yep. And this is very soft. All of Diamond Art Club canvases are soft and smooth. So this is, again, it is 65 centimeters by 84 centimeters, 25.6 inches by 33.1 inches. It has 44 colors. It's got 2 fairy dusts and 3 ABs. So again, Broken Heart Hollow. If this is one that you've been wanting, and there is no perforated paper on this one, and the glue, oh my gosh, the glue is super good. Yeah, the glue is super glued. Super glued. The glue is super glued. She's going to be gorgeous. You want this one? Put "I want this one" in the comments. That is canvas number 3. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So far, I am enjoying these events because I'm pampered with diamonds and I like it a lot. And be sure to be kind to everyone you meet.